Hello, today we will guide you through how to download data from Koyfin. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to quickly export the data from your Koyfin watchlist so you can analyze it in a spreadsheet or share it with your team. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Koyfin account and that you have at least one watchlist already created. The download will reflect the symbols and columns currently visible in your watchlist. Start by going to the Today's Markets page. You can reach it by navigating to the Koyfin Home app in your browser. This is the main landing page where you'll see market snapshots and your personalized workspace. If you aren't automatically taken there, use your browser's address bar or Koyfin's top navigation to open the home page. Give the page a moment to load so that all panels in the left-hand menu render fully. Next, look to the left navigation panel for your watch lists. The sidebar contains sections like Markets, News, and Watch Lists. If the panel is collapsed, hover over it or click the menu icon to expand it. Under Watch Lists, you should see items you've created or pinned. If you maintain multiple lists, take a brief moment to confirm which one you want to export. Clear, descriptive watch list names make it easier to grab the right data the first time. Now click on My Watch List. This opens your watch list area and brings the selected list into focus. You'll see a table view with your tickers and the columns you've chosen, such as last price, percent change, volume, or custom fields. Keep in mind that the download mirrors what you see here. If a column is visible, it's included. If it's hidden, it won't be in the export. A quick scan to confirm the layout can save you from having to re-download later. When you're ready, click Download. The Download button typically appears near the top right corner of the watchlist view. After you click it, Koyfin prepares the file and your browser saves it automatically, usually to your Downloads folder. Most exports are provided in a spreadsheet-friendly format like CSV or Excel. If your browser prompts you to choose a location or confirm the file type, simply proceed with the default unless you have a preferred folder. If you don't see a file appear, check your browser's download indicator or make sure pop-ups and downloads are allowed for the site. Once the file is saved, open it in your spreadsheet application to review the headers, pricing fields, and dates. If you need an updated snapshot later, just repeat these steps. That's it. Your Koyfin watchlist data is now downloaded and ready to use.